Let me know when. Just do 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so we hooked up the second junction box, and this wire is going to go into the second breaker. So we're going to put it through that hole there, and I'm going to wire it up. That'll be our last circuit. So we'll feed this properly in through here. Oh yeah, we have to shut off the power first. Turn off all these breakers. This thing is tight. I think I'm gonna have to get this thing out first. Yeah, that's what we're gonna have to do first. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pop it out. Okay. That's like a lock piece. So now we can get this wire in through there. Okay. We'll cut it. That should be enough. Just cutting the rubber insulation off. Alright, now we can put this lock piece back on here. So that lock piece can go get seated back in here. I gotta manhandle this thing. There we go. See, that's snapped in. Now these wires don't move. Alright, so again we got the black wire. This black wire is going to go right here into the second breaker. So I'm going to cut it here and then strip it. Strip the wire. So now this one's going to go right into the second breaker, and then I tighten the screw. There we go. Yeah, that's tight. That's not going anywhere. Okay. Now the white wire, put the white wire into this bus bar here. And we'll snap it, we'll cut it right about here. Strip some of the insulation. And we'll just put it right into this bus bar right here. It just slips into that hole. Oh, we gotta loosen this a little bit more. Open that up. There it goes. Goes right in there, and then I just tighten the screw. Make sure that's tight right in there. And then we can just push that wire back. And last is the ground. The ground goes right into this bus bar here, which is right about, cut it there. Give it a bend. So let's feed it in here. Maybe that might be a little too long. I think that's a little too long. Yeah, I think we need to cut more. Bus bars not far away. Alright, and we just feed this wire through here. I'm going to put it right into this bus bar with the other. I could feed two ground wires right in there. So just let's make it, screw it out. Give it plenty of room. So we got this wire. It's just a matter of getting it in the hole. I don't know why it's not slipping in there. I guess what I really need is a needle nose pliers. Okay. Alright, we got that one in the hole. There. Both of them are in that hole. Right? Yeah. Now we got both in the hole. So these two grounds are right here. Just need to tighten this really nice and tight. That's it. They're not coming out. And now we can move this ground wire so that it's kind of with all the other ground wires. And that's it. Now we turn on the power. That one, and then up here we turn on the power for this sub panel. There, Matthew. Now you got all your power back. Oh, I hear the electrical thing going. Now let's put this cover back on. We're done. We are finished messing with this box. There we go. That's it. We're missing some breakers here, that's okay. We could put in, actually I could probably put these breakers back in there. Yeah, why don't we do that? Let's put these breakers back in there. Otherwise that's a big hole people could stick their fingers in. I don't want them to get shocked. off whenever you're playing with electricity. And now these breakers can slip right in there. That's it. Basically make sure they're tight. That's on. 1, 2, 3. That's on. Okay, everything's on. Power can be turned back on. Everything's going on. Okay. Yeah, top 2 are on, bottom 3. There we go. There we go. So now there's nobody could stick their fingers in there. There we go. So here we got, these are the two new circuits right here, 1 and 2, and then all the rest was there already. So that's how you move 2 circuits using 2 junction boxes. All right, cut